Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to take a minute while I was doing this bearing job on this Razor 800 to show how I'm getting it done. It's my friend's, so it's real basic. Doing the rear right now, pretty much. What you had to do is first you gotta take this off. Then you have to, I had to use a puller for this, a pulley puller. That one didn't want to come off. Then once you get in there, you have the hub. I always thought it was best to take this ring out of the hub for the bearings before you take the hub off, because you don't have to fussle with it on the ground. Use this tool right here. Must have. Basic other tools. Once you take this part off, go ahead and you gotta beat the bearing out. I like to use a bearing installer tool. So what I did is I came over here, set me some bricks up, and flipped it over, separated the bricks like that. I used that edge to catch that. Pretty much. That's the bearing. Bearing installer tool. You can also a must-have. Beat it out, washed it up. Then took the bearing, the new bearing, put it in the freezer so that it'll shrink up a little bit, make it easier to install, and then go ahead and reassemble back together. Done. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up.